Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and today we are going to be doing a patriotic centerpiece using this super cute picture. All of the supplies I'm using today are from surreycirclehome.com, so go check out her awesome supplies. She's got amazing floral, she's got some beautiful designer ribbon. So go check her out. If you're shopping with her, you can use my code SO10 and you'll receive 10% off your entire order. So let's get into it. I can't wait to talk about these wonderful items that we have today. I am going to start off by cutting my foam. This is just floral foam from Hobby Lobby. I think I'm just going to cut like, yeah. Here I thought, I was like, look how good I am at eyeballing. Okay, we're going to shave off the corners. It's kind of satisfying, just a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more, a little bit more. So this foam is from Hobby Lobby. I do buy it in the value pack. Boom. Okay. I saved my scraps too. Now if they're like this, I won't save these, but I'll save the other scraps for sure and add into another design. So now we have our foam popping up out of the top. And today, I want to show y'all some beautiful items from Surrey Circle Home. Like the metal stars, because that's going to go perfect with our metal container. And look at this filler bush. Isn't this so adorable? You can literally put this in if you're not great at designing and be done and put this in your kitchen or in the center of your table. This is just such a good filler bush. But of course, I'm going to elevate it a little bit. I want to add these stars, the filler bush, and then I want to add in these awesome blue. I just love this bush. So I want to add in a little bit of the dark blue. I wanted to show you some other items. We're not going to be using these in the design, but I'm just like obsessed with sunflowers, and she has them in cream, red, and then look at these awesome blue peonies. They look purple. I swear they're blue though. They look purple on my camera right now, but they are blue. And you know that us as crafters, we always struggle getting like a good filler bush. She has so many good options at Surrey Circle Home for your filler bushes. So make sure you go and check out all of her florals. Everything that I'm designing with today, I do actually have a little designer tab under Surrey Circle Home. So if you go to surreycirclehome.com and you will find designer tab and it says Courtney. I'm officially a designer over there. So anything that you like that I've used on this YouTube tutorial will be underneath that designer tab, but I'll put everything in the description as well. All right, so I just added a little bit of hot glue to the bottom of that foam, and I'm just going to push that down in there. And now we are going to start tearing everything apart and making this thing so gorgeous. I also have some exciting news. If you do place an order with Surrey Circle Home and you use the special code YouTube. Use the special code YouTube. If you're the first order, Miss Melissa from Surrey Circle Home is going to throw in a free gift. It could be designer ribbon. It could be some more floral that you ordered. So make sure you go and place your order. And not only are we going to give away a prize to the first order, we're also going to give away a prize to the 5th order. So Only y'all YouTubers know my code, YouTube, to get you those special perks, okay? All right, so I just, oh my gosh, seriously. I just cut that apart. We're gonna dip it in hot glue right here off of camera. And I'm just gonna start sticking these into my foam. Such a good filler, guys. I really love this. I'm just starting on the outside perimeter. Kind of spreading it out as I go. Also, I do have an Amazon storefront, which I'll tag in the description as well. So if you are looking for a glue pot or anything like that, you'll be able to get that off of my Amazon storefront. So I just put these in, basically, I'm going to call it the four corners of this item. We're going to call it the four corners, okay? I'm going to now take this awesome, oh, isn't it gorgeous? This awesome bush. I'm going to start peeling it apart too. And we're going to place these in between. We're going to place these in between because I like blue. You don't have to add the blue. I'm a blue girl. I am. I'm a blue girl. So we're going to add in these. I'm kind of tempted to also cut off a few of those sunflowers. I said I wasn't going to use them in this, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking I might want to cut some of those off too and use them in this piece. I need to get a drink of water. I know, I was like, I'm not going to use it, but now I'm like, ooh, maybe I will. Maybe I will. Okay. Ooh, I should have got a, let's do it with, I'm going to pre-cut these little holes. Oh, oh. Oh no, my stir stick took a dive. It took a dive. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a wooden dowel. Okay. So I grabbed a wooden dowel because these are a softer stem, pre-did a hole into our foam. And we are gonna wrap those. Oh yeah, I like that. Wrap these guys in there. And I'm just putting these guys in the middle. In between the two that I already made. I am pre-doing holes though because this is a softer stem. Oh, what do y'all think? I like that. What do y'all think about that dark blue in there? I'm such a blue girl though. I am. I think I'm gonna use the bigger one. This one actually isn't too bad of a stem. And once again, I'm just dipping that into my hot glue. Oh, yes. I'm gonna shred this little guy up. Put him in there. Okay. Oh, I love that. That's pretty. What do y'all think about that blue in there? So I do have one more piece of this. Oh, well, I'm going to stick that guy in there too. I'm going to put this guy right in the middle of it all. Okay, we'll put those we're going to put those two guys in there separately because clearly they want to do their own thing, which is totally fine. Put that right in the middle. And then we'll add these guys in. We'll add them right over here. That's cute. Okay, so you could leave it like this because this is even adorbs. I do want to add in my rustic stars just to elevate it a little bit more. Ooh, you know what? I'm thinking about. Oh, that's a good stem. Putting this one right down. Yes, in the middle. That's cute. Dipping it in some hot glue again. Finding good spots. Okay, now we're gonna put the florals around it. And then I need to grab my scissors. Take this little tag off. These stars are so adorable. I think I'm going to do one on one side and then one on the other side. Kind of spraying out. Yes. And then we'll do the same thing. Do y'all decorate for red, white, and blue for patriotic Independence Day? 4th of July. I'll get there. I'll get there. Y'all are like, come on, Courtney, get there faster. You know, red, white, and blue day. You know. Okay, we're going to stick this guy in there. Coming out of the other side. And it's cool because these are wired, so you can really, oh yeah, you can really play with it and really have some fun. What do y'all think? So, oh, that's fun. I really like the stars coming out of that. I'm just kind of cleaning up a little bit because, you know, my OCD, I like a clean space. Okay, should we play and put like a sunflower? I don't know. I kind of feel like we should just try it. I mean, you never know, right? You never know. I might need just a little, you know, a little dab. A little sunflower. This is cute, but I think it needs. I think we need to add a little sunflower to it. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. I do like the sunflowers. We're gonna leave it alone. We're gonna leave it alone. We're gonna use these sunflowers for another project, another red, white, and blue project. So stay tuned for that YouTube tutorial. But I'm gonna leave it like this. We're gonna leave it rustic. I'm just gonna play it with these. Since they are wired, I do want this to be a little bit more whimsical and coming out. You know, also, like, if you're not into florals, this picture would be so stinking cute in your kitchen with just some, like, utensils in it. Wouldn't that be adorable? Okay, I am loving how this looks. Very rustic. This is very me. This is something I would definitely have in my kitchen or on my kitchen table. So freaking cute. And I love this picture. It is such a good patriotic picture. Oh my goodness, y'all. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, and IG, all the fun places. And remember, if you are the first person to place an order with code YouTube, you will get a free item. If you're the 5th order, you will also get a free item. So just make sure that you use that special code YouTube, and you'll get something extra in your goodie bag. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, everyone.